I absolutely regret coming to this trip. I actually hate Aiden and I'm just using him for a free holiday.
What was that?
What?
What did you say? Yeah. Wow. What's up guys, hope you enjoyed the previous video. You may have noticed that we're branching out quite a bit with some new styles of content, which is very exciting stuff for myself as a creator and hopefully for you guys too as an audience. Anyway, today's video will be jumping back into the OG remake content with a focus on the brand new hit Circo Loco from Her Loss by Drake and 21 Savage. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the remake. I definitely enjoyed making it for you guys. Let's get right into it. Circo Loco was produced by Boi-1da and Tay Keith, and I am extremely excited for this remake today because we have all of the identical drum samples, the original sample, and the identical 808. Everything's identical from the original song. And as always, at the end of the video, we'll be comparing the remake with Shazam to see how accurate we got it to the original song. Thank you to Cymatics for sponsoring this video. Go check out their Zodiac beta pack in the description below, which is a 100% free melody collection. So this is a killer deal, and I highly recommend you check it out in the description below. When you download Zodiac beta for free, you'll get access to not only the samples, but also all of the stems for the samples. So in creating Zodiac, Cymatics has worked with professional vocalists, guitarists, violinists, saxophonists, and other live musicians. They have some beautiful melodies. This is R&B. I really like this loop, Love. Really high quality vocals. Cool. Add some drums. That's gonna sound like this. Thanks to Cymatics for sponsoring this video. Make sure to check out their Zodiac beta pack in the description below for free. So to remake Circo Loco by Drake, you're gonna need to know 3 different things. Number 1 is the sampling. Number 2 is the 808, and number 3 is the drums. First up, we have the sample. So this song's pretty simple, but it does have a sample within a sample. Circo Loco by Drake samples One More Time by Daft Punk, and One More Time by Daft Punk samples More Spell on You by Eddie Johns. So we're gonna go on a bit of a sample deconstruction maze today, showing you how One More Time was made, and then how Circo Loco was made. This is the end result first. And that samples One More Time. So, like I said, One More Time samples Eddie Johns' More Spell on You, which originally sounds like this. So we're just sampling 3 different parts from the song. This is part number 1, part number 2, and part number 3. So you can rearrange them to look like this. Then we're taking this sample down by 1 semitone. And finally taking it down to 123 BPM, which is the original tempo of Daft Punk's One More Time. So this is the end result. So that's how you convert Eddie Johns' More Spell on You into One More Time by Daft Punk. Then we're going to be converting One More Time by Daft Punk into Circo Loco. So this is Daft Punk's One More Time. And as you saw, this song is at 123 BPM and Drake's Circo Loco is at 104. So let's click this knob on the top left and go fit to tempo and type in the BPM, which is 123. So that's going to stretch out the sample, which is going to sound like this now. Then we're bringing that down by 8 semitones, which is going to sound like this. So we're going to be taking 3 different chops from this sample. First one comes in 1 bar in, and we're just going to be chopping out these 2 beats here. And that's going to repeat over itself. Then we're chopping out this part here. It's going to sound like this. And that repeats over itself until we come to the 3rd chop, which is the final 8 beats of the sample. Then let's add that to the mixer, and we're going to be adding some effects. First effect we're adding is Kickstart by Nicky Romero, and that's adding a light sidechain. Second effect we're adding is Fruity Parametric EQ2, making a low pass and a high pass filter. You can definitely hear the sample starting to take form. Then we're adding some compression, then finally some RC20 retro color, of course, for some distortion and some reverb. And that sample repeats throughout the entire song. Next up we have all of the identical drum samples. So let's start off with the hi-hat, which sounds like this, which you can prove by comparing it to the original song. So this is the original, and this is the remake. And that just plays a basic 2-step loop. What's interesting with the hi-hat though is that we're shortening it by bringing down the length, so the original hi-hat sounds like this. And as you can hear, it has more of a tail, but we're going to shorten this down by bringing up the out and bringing down the length. Add in the snare. And once again, the snare is identical as well. So this is the original song, and this is the snare. Amazing. So everything so far. Then next up we have some open hi-hats. We have first off the Metro Boomin open hat, which is one of the most common open hi-hats you will find. So this is the hi-hat in the original song. You can see it in these frequencies just here. And that plays this pattern. Then we're adding in a second hi-hat, which is the Digi open hat. So to prove that this sample is the identical to the original song, I exported the original song into an AI stem splitter called La La AI, and you can hear it on its own just here. So this is the original song, and this is the remake. Isn't it beautiful? That's the only way I've been able to prove that this is the identical sample to the original song. Next up we have the 808, which is the Spins 808, but I'm bringing in the out to shorten the sample and bringing up the in so that it's leveled correctly. So it's going to sound like this. That's the Spins 808, which is the most common 808 used in hip-hop music. So that's going to sound like this. So that's it for the remake. This is the final result. That was literally the fastest Shazam comparison I've ever had for a song. Remake God. That was instantaneous. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the remake. Run up the comment section about how you felt about this video, as well as the new vlog style content.
You guys want a photo together? Oh, all good. Oh, you got it. Yeah.
We're heading to Atlanta next week, and the videos are about to go crazy. We're linking with some big producers and artists, so stay tuned for that.
Having a suss of the fit.
Some huge things on the way, so hit that subscribe button and notification bell to know when those videos are dropping. See you guys soon.